This is cabin 2240 on the Carnival Magic. We had this cabin on Carnival Vista 3 months ago, so we got the exact same cabin. But this time I brought my 6-year-old son with me, so it's going to be a little different as far as the bed. I bought some decorations before we got on, so when you get on the cabin, the room is already decorated. And I kind of rearranged it because being as though he's sleeping over here, I moved some above his bed. But I got the Cat in the Hat theme, Dr. Seuss. These are the, what is it, Family Ocean View, Deck 2. So these come with 2 bathrooms, which we like. The main one has your typical shower. And the second one, which is great for kids, you have your shower. You have a tub in case they want to take a bath. And it's just a little easier in this bathroom because the curtain doesn't stick to you like it does in the main bathroom. So this is like a regular shower. And you have your typical closet space with the shelves. This is the one with the hangers. And I believe this one, yeah, it's another one with hangers in it. This one, well, we're not using this one, but it has more hangers. My thoughts on this cabin. Unlike Vista, the Magic, I don't know if it's because we were dealing with rough seas while we were heading to Aruba, but we were dealing with Tropical Storm Dawn while we were, well, the Aruba was beautiful, so I'll say while we were supposed to go to Curacao, but it was a lot of noise, a lot of banging going on. It was noisy, as far as it was a lot of rocking motion and just a lot of banging. I think it was the waves hitting the front. This cabin is more forward, and I think that's what it was, but I'm not quite sure. But that was the noisiest we've ever had it, and that was for like 2 days. But after that, it was fine. We were supposed to go to Curacao, but they canceled it, and we went to Amber Cove, which was absolutely beautiful. And this is the ocean view, so you have your window for your ocean view. Right now we're heading back to Port Canaveral. You have your safe and your refrigerator. And drawers. My son loves Camp Ocean. So that's one of the benefits of bringing your children. You can drop them off, but they give cool items. So there you have it, cabin 2240, deck 2, Carnival Magic.